Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Today, we're diving into a critical situation every driver hopes to avoid: an overheating car. Knowing what to do when your car overheats can save you from serious engine damage and ensure your safety on the road. Join us as we explore the 5 essential steps to take when your car's temperature gauge hits the red zone. 5 steps to take if your car overheats. Experiencing a car overheating can be a stressful situation for any driver. Knowing how to handle this issue is crucial for both your safety and the well-being of your vehicle. In this blog post, we will discuss 5 important steps to take if your car starts to overheat. By following these simple guidelines, you can effectively manage the situation and prevent any extensive damage to your vehicle. Understanding the signs of an overheating car, warning lights and gauges to look out for. When it comes to identifying an overheating car, one of the first signs to be aware of are the warning lights and gauges on your dashboard. The temperature gauge moving into the red zone is a clear indication of an overheating engine. Additionally, pay attention to any warning lights that illuminate, indicating an issue with the engine or cooling system. Steam and unusual odors. Another telltale sign of an overheating car is the presence of steam escaping from the engine bay. If you notice steam or vapor coming from under the hood, it's crucial to pull over immediately and address the issue. Furthermore, unusual odors like a sweet smell or the scent of burning fluids could signify an overheating engine, signaling the need for prompt action. By familiarizing yourself with these signs, you can swiftly take action if your car shows any symptoms of overheating. Immediate actions to take when your car overheats. When you notice that your car is overheating, the first thing to do is to pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Look for a flat, open area away from traffic. It's important to find a spot where you can safely assess the situation without putting yourself or other drivers at risk. Turn off the air conditioning. Once you have safely pulled over, turn off the air conditioning in your car. This will reduce the strain on the engine and help to lower its temperature. If the air conditioning is left on, it can contribute to the overheating problem and make it more difficult for the engine to cool down. Open the hood with caution. After turning off the engine, wait for a few minutes to allow it to cool down before carefully opening the hood. Be cautious when doing this, as there may be built-up pressure or steam inside. Once the hood is open, visually inspect the engine for any signs of leaks or damage, but be careful not to touch any hot components. Allowing your car to cool down. When your car overheats, it's crucial to allow it to cool down before taking any further action. Attempting to remove the radiator cap while the engine is still hot can lead to serious injury from the release of scalding steam and coolant. Once the car has cooled down, usually after at least 30 minutes, you can cautiously proceed with checking the coolant levels. Do not attempt to remove the radiator cap. Under no circumstances should you attempt to remove the radiator cap while the engine is hot. The intense pressure and heat can cause the hot coolant to spray out, resulting in severe burns. Always allow the engine to cool down completely before attempting to check or add coolant. This is a crucial safety measure that should never be overlooked. Checking coolant levels when the car cools down. When the car has cooled down, you can proceed to check the coolant levels. Open the hood of your car and locate the coolant reservoir. Ensure that the coolant level is between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. If it's below the minimum mark, carefully add the appropriate coolant to bring it up to the correct level. Be sure to use the type of coolant recommended for your car. Remember, taking these steps with caution and patience can prevent further damage to your car's engine and ensure your safety on the road. Seeking professional help. If your car overheats, seeking professional help is crucial to avoid further damage and ensure your safety on the road. Calling for roadside assistance is often the first step when your car overheats. Roadside assistance services can dispatch a tow truck or a mobile mechanic to assist you with your overheating vehicle. Calling for roadside assistance. When your car overheats, you should immediately pull over to a safe location and call for roadside assistance. The dispatcher will ask for your location and details about your vehicle's condition. Be prepared to provide as much information as possible to ensure that the service provider sends the appropriate help. Finding a nearby auto repair shop. In some cases, your car may overheat, but you might still be able to drive it to the nearest auto repair shop. Use your phone or GPS to locate the nearest auto repair shop and drive there cautiously. Once at the repair shop, inform them of the situation and seek their expertise in diagnosing and fixing the issue causing your car to overheat. Seeking professional help when your car overheats is crucial for addressing the issue effectively and getting back on the road safely. Preventative measures to avoid overheating. Regular maintenance and servicing play a crucial role in preventing your car from overheating. By following simple measures, you can maintain your vehicle's cooling system and avoid potential overheating issues. Regular maintenance and servicing. Regular maintenance, including keeping up with oil changes, checking belts and hoses, and replacing coolant as recommended, can contribute to preventing overheating. A well-tuned engine is less likely to overheat, so it is essential to adhere to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Monitoring coolant levels. Checking coolant levels regularly is vital to prevent overheating. It's crucial to ensure that the coolant is at the required level and free from contaminants. Additionally, make sure to use the recommended type of coolant and keep an eye out for any leaks in the cooling system. By staying proactive with regular maintenance and monitoring coolant levels, car owners can significantly reduce the risk of their vehicles overheating. In conclusion, it's crucial to stay calm and act quickly if your car overheats. First, pull over to a safe location and turn off the engine. Next, allow the engine to cool down before opening the hood. Check the coolant level and add more if necessary. It's also important to inspect for any leaks and ensure the radiator and hoses are functioning properly. Finally, if the issue persists, seek professional assistance to prevent further damage to your vehicle. Following these steps can help you handle an overheating car situation effectively and prevent costly repairs. If you find the information useful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.